Hello Live Wires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today we're making a super cute 3D butterfly ring. I'm using 20 gauge gold Beadalon German style wire and my stepped wooden ring mandrel. My tools are the Beadalon Slimline Series chain nose and round nose pliers, their Glimmer Series nipper tool, their nylon jaw pliers, and their bail making pliers. I'm starting with 12 inches of 20 gauge German style wire, and I'm going to create 2 loops at the center point of the wire to make the bottom wings, curving out the wire where you will make the top wings. Take the bail making pliers, bring the wire around, making sure the 2 loops are right beside each other with the wires both going to the front, curving out the wire for the upper wings. Adjust them as you need, making sure they're even. From there, we're going to do a bend for the top of the wing and then curve the wire around to make some inner shapes that mirror the shape of the wing. So give it a sharp bend and then curve it around with the smallest part of the bail making pliers. If it's too large, use your small round nose pliers to make it even smaller so it fits. Take the chain nose pliers and give it another sharp bend, straight down, adjust it, and we can measure the wing so it's the same size, about 1/2 inch. Just compare them to make sure they're the same. Hold the wire and bend it in the same position. Curve the wire around and continue in the same manner using the bail making pliers to make the lower curve and the chain nose pliers to make that sharp bend at the top of the wings, mirroring the shape of the wing. Take the small round nose pliers and bring the wire around. Then another sharp bend to bring the wire back towards the center. We're going to curve the wires in opposite directions at the back, and that will form the ring band. They go straight across in opposite directions. Flip it around. Put it on the ring mandrel, bring the wires around, one to the top and then one underneath, so they'll fit right in place underneath the butterfly. Wiggle it around so the wires are parallel. From there, we're going to take the end of the wire with the chain nose pliers, holding it firmly to secure it in place. So take the end and pull it around. Give it a good little tug and clip the end flush. With your flush cutters or nipper tool, pinch in that pokey end. Take the other wire, give it a good little tug, bring it right around to hold the butterfly in place. Clip the end flush and do any little adjustments with the chain nose pliers. Push it down with your thumb, and you could bend the wings out a little bit to make it more three-dimensional. Using the nylon jaw pliers helps to bring the wings out a little bit. Do any little last minute adjustments, and there's your cute butterfly ring and another little one made with the brown wire. Thanks so much for watching the video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making tutorials. Join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook to share pictures of your wire art and wire jewelry. Hop over to the Wire Lady TV channel every Wednesday at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Time, where I troubleshoot new ideas for wire art and jewelry, and I welcome your ideas and special requests. There's also templates, tutorials, and ebooks. You can use the coupon code SAVE25 to save 25% when you purchase any 5 templates, tutorials, or ebooks in my Etsy DIY shop. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.